share information to the entire public that yesterday at around 2 p.m. 20:00 hours, the National Police Service conducted a sting operation within Kisii town, whereby we have been receiving numerous complaints from members of public that their phones, their gadgets, and laptops have been stolen. So, in the process of our operation within some business premises in the town, we managed to recover some electronic gadgets, to which 351 mobile phones, assorted mobile phones, 20 laptops, 13 assorted tablets, 21 assorted hard drives, and we also managed to arrest 14 suspects who we believe that they are connected with this offense. So the suspects are in custody to be charged with offenses of computer misuse and cyber crimes of 2018, and also stealing. So this morning we are moving to court to seek miscellaneous applications so that we can hold them to finish our investigation, and probably we can arrange them before court on Monday. Yes, hiyo biashara inaendelea, lakini tulipata kufanya operation kwa dakika moja, lakini bado operation inaendelea, sababu tunaamini kwamba ni biashara ambayo imekita mizizi, lakini nzuri ni kwamba tumefaulu kunaza hawa wahusika kwa hiyo kitendo. They are interconnected because this is what has been happening, and we believe this one is a breakthrough, and we are able to get more of the suspects. Already there are some other suspects who we believe they ran away, but the law will catch up with them very soon. And identify these phones and these electronic gadgets so that they can assist us also in recording statements and become our witnesses. So that's our plea to members of public. We come forward, identify. Already we have one person who has identified some phones, and we are calling for more members of public to come forward. We believe these phones are being stolen from our neighboring counties like Nyamira, Migori, and Omagh. So let them come forward and identify.
Nimepata simu yangu kwa siku ya leo, nimebeba nene ya Samsung. Nawashukuru, wamesaidia sana. Simu yangu imekuwa imeibiwa ndani ya nyumba na watu wasio wajua.